نحمده ونصلي على رسوله الكريم أما بعد أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم واعتصموا بحبل الله جميعا ولا تفرقوا صدق الله العظيم. In the name of Allah, in the name of Allah, the most beneficent and most merciful. Honorable Chief Guest, respectable President, and my dear fellows, Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. Today, it is a great source of pleasure for me to stand in the front of you to present my topic, Unity of Ummah as the need of the day. Respectable President, unfortunately, we are passing through an age of war and disturbance, and Muslim Ummah is in great difficult time nowadays. For example, Kashmir, Burma and Iraq. So, what's the reason for that? No, because we have hundreds of problems beside this. Respectable President, in fact, when a nation lost its religion and moral values, the consequence and far more dangerous that what have just been mentioned. Now the question arises that what are the causes of this miserable situation? Is it not difficult? It is because on self-will debt. It is because gap between us and our religion Islam. We are not following the injunction of Allah Ta'ala and the Sunnah of the Holy Prophet Sallallahu Alaihi Wasallam, peace be upon him. And greatest reason is our disunity. The Allah Almighty say in Holy Quran, وَاعْتَصِمُوا بِحَبْلِ اللَّهِ جَمِيعًا وَلَا تَفَرَّقُوا. The Muslims are ordered and not secreted. But unfortunately, we are divided into many groups. Due to this reason, we are going down and down day to day. The poet say, मुसलमानों संभल जाओ संभल जाने का वक्त आया, मुसलमानों संभल जाओ संभल जाने का वक्त आया, बहुत सोए हुए हो तुम अब होश में आने का वक्त आया, जला डाली थी तुमने कश्तियाँ उंदुलस के साहिल पर, वही तारीख फिर से दोहराने का वक्त आया. Respectable President, but it is not late to mend. We can easily make our last percentage and recover our losses. My dear teacher, if we can try to understand our duties and strictly get indicated the Quran and Sunnah, fulfill with honesty, then our goal is, with the high position is not too far. My respectable President, we have raised the educational level, both Islamic, science and educated. Dear audience, the poet say, नील की साहिल से एक हो मुस्लिम हरम की पासबानी के लिए, एक हो मुस्लिम हरम की पासबानी के लिए, नील के साहिल से लेकर ताबखा के काशगर. Respectable President, we should have to prepare such a force of talented and educated person who could lead us to achieve our aims, which could arise through the glory and brotherhood. May Allah make us a united nation. Ameen. Walhamdulillahi Rabbil Alameen.